love riding your bike in the rain? There is nothing more exciting and fun than cycling in the rain, isn't it? With monsoon right around the corner, it's time to give your bike a little extra attention. A simple daily inspection of your bike can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your bike in good shape. In this video, I will give some common tips to take care of your bicycle in the rainy season for smooth performance and longevity. If you maintain your bicycle appropriately during monsoon season, you will be able to keep it protected all season long. Every bicycle enthusiast should practice monsoon bicycle care and maintenance. Wax your bike before riding it during rainy weather to keep it in perfect shape. The hydrophobic coating is dirt repellent, prevents fine scratches and swirls, makes it easy to clean your machine. A jacket is an essential piece of clothing when fighting the rain. A quality waterproof jacket will not only keep you dry but will also help you to regulate your body temperatures. For the best riding experience during monsoon, I recommend installing fenders and mud flaps on your bikes. Monsoon bike washes are time consuming, but they are vital to your bike's health. Installing fenders and mud flaps provide a great deal of protection during the rainy season. This can reduce the chance of dirt or muck splashing on your face, eyes and back. During rain, all the microparticles from mud penetrate the chain and eventually cause damage to the chain and cassette. Clean and re-lube the drivetrain often to prevent unexpected chain wear and is vital during monsoon. Use a thick and heavy lube that is waterproof and is ideal for wet conditions. You won't be able to protect the bike components with a thinner lube since it is likely to wash off quickly in the rain. Use rust removal sprays to keep the nuts, bolts, chain and other parts rust free. During monsoon, take care of tension if your bike has suspension. As a result of constant contact with water and mud, dust seals become dry over time and scratches the silver stanchion. Post-ride, wipe the stanchion down to keep them clean and lubricated. Use the best lubricants to spray on the stanchions. Inspect your bike's brake pads and rim regularly. In the monsoons, brake can't function as effectively as they should. Rims catch grids, which get stuck in the brake pads and drastically affect the brake performance. It results in rims getting damaged when you brake. Therefore, you need to inspect them regularly. Check your bike's tires. Roads and trail become slippery in wet conditions, so grip and safety are vital for a safe ride. Make sure your tires are not worn out. Checking your bike's tire at regular intervals making ride in wet condition much more comfortable, and the chances of having a puncture will be less. Setting the correct tire pressure will improve your traction and increase your suspension. For recommendations regarding tire inflation, you can check the tire sidewalls. Set the pressure a few psi lower than recommended. It ensures a safe bicycle ride in the monsoon. Use lights while riding in the rain. Make yourself visible when it's raining. Even if it's in the middle of the day, several good quality and lightweight LED lights are available that you can clip onto your bike. Cover the bicycle when not in use. It is not perfect to park the bike in places where water can flow and make the tires weaker and more likely to crack. Covering prevents the bike from rusting and protects it from dirt and other debris brought by the rain. So that's it guys. Now with these simple steps, you can keep your bike in top condition and enjoy your ride throughout the season. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay up to date on all bike related things by following us on social media. The links are given in the description below. Happy cycling!